Stream ground, Finnair 5075 ready to taxi. Finnair 5075 taxi to runway 12 right.
Stream ground, United 4042, taxi to the gates. United 4042, taxi to gate Bravo 4.
Stream clearance. Good afternoon. Russia 6723. Ready for pushback at Alpha 1.
Stream Tower, Pakistan 9679. Ready for takeoff runway 12 right.
Russia 67 cleared for pushback.
Pakistan 9679. Line up and wait runway 12 right. Pakistan 9679. Cleared for takeoff runway 12 right.
Stream Tower, good afternoon, Air India 2408 is on approach. Air India 2408 cleared to land runway 12 left.
Stream ground, Russia 6723, ready to taxi. Russia 6723, taxi to runway 12 right.
Stream Tower, Cargolux 8345, ready for takeoff runway 12 right. Cargolux 8345, cleared for takeoff runway 12 right.
Stream ground, Air Transat 3740, requesting taxi to the gates. Air Transat 3740, taxi to gate Alpha 1.
Stream clearance. Good afternoon. Gulf Air 6853, ready for pushback at Alpha 3. Gulf Air 6853, cleared for pushback. Stream ground, Gulf Air 6853, ready to taxi. Gulf Air 6853, taxi to runway 12 right.
Stream Tower, good afternoon. Finnair 8506 is on approach. Finnair 8506, clear to land runway 12 left. Stream clearance, good afternoon, all Nippon 8203, ready for pushback at Charlie 2. All Nippon 8203, cleared for pushback.
Stream Tower Finnair 5075 ready for takeoff runway 12 right. Finnair 5075 cleared for takeoff runway 12 right.
Stream Tower, good afternoon. China Eastern 23904 is on approach. China Eastern 23904, clear to land runway 12 left.
Stream Ground, Airline 2408, requesting taxi to the gates.
Stream ground, all 8203, ready to taxi.
Air India 2408, taxi to gate Alpha 3.
All Nippon 8203, taxi to runway 12 right.
Stream clearance, good afternoon. Air France 9107, ready for pushback at Bravo 6. Air France 9107, cleared for pushback.
Stream Tower, Russia 6723, ready for takeoff runway 12 right. Russia 6723, cleared for takeoff runway 12 right.
Stream ground, Air France 9107, ready to taxi. Air France 9107, taxi to runway 12 right. Stream Tower, good afternoon. Virgin 2038 is on approach.
Stream Tower, Gulf Air 6853, ready for takeoff runway 12 right.
Virgin 2038 cleared to land runway 12 left.
Gulf Air 6853, cleared for takeoff runway 12 right.
Stream ground, Finnair 8506, taxi to the gates.
Stream clearance, Atlas Air 2139, ready for pushback at Charlie 1.
Finnair 8506, taxi to gate Charlie 2.
Atlas Air 2139, cleared for pushback.
Stream clearance. Emirates 4235 ready for pushback at Charlie 4.
Stream Tower, good afternoon. Finnair 7390 is on approach.
Emirates 4235 cleared for pushback.
Finnair 7390 cleared to land runway 12 left.
All Nippon 8203 cleared for takeoff runway 12 right.
Swiss 6033 cleared for pushback.
Stream ground China Eastern 23904 taxi to the gates.
Stream ground Atlas Air 2139er ready to taxi.
China Eastern 23904 taxi to gate Charlie 3.
Atlas Air 2139er taxi to runway 12 right.
Stream ground Emirates 4235 ready to taxi. Emirates 4235 taxi to runway 12 right. Stream Tower Air France China 107 ready for takeoff runway 12 right.
Swiss 6033 taxi to runway 12 right.
Air France China 107 cleared for takeoff runway 12 right. Stream Tower, good afternoon. Kestrel 6674 Mayday Mayday Mayday.
Finnair 8506 hold position. China Eastern 23904 hold position. Finnair 8506 continue taxi. China Eastern 23904 continue taxi.
Stream ground Virgin 2038 taxi to the gates. Virgin 2038 taxi to gate Bravo 1.
Stream Tower, Atlas Air 2139er, ready for takeoff runway 12 right.
Stream ground, Finnair 7390 requesting taxi to the gates. Finnair 7390 taxi to gate Bravo 6.
Stream clearance. Latam 5557. Ready for pushback at Bravo 7.
Stream clearance. China Southern 9863. Ready for pushback at Bravo 3.
Latam 5557. Cleared for pushback.
Atlas Air 2139.